Okay, so would you introduce yourself a little greater detail?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Divyansh from Rajasthan, Jodhpur.
Mm-hmm.
I run my business in all over North India regarding wholesale water bottle company and juice company.
Mm-hmm.
My sister runs a podcast channel in which we invite all the like big celebrities and all the social workers to just let the youngsters know what really podcast is. So now we wanted to invite you as you are a youth icon as well, and you are a great personality, sir. So like my Ravinder ji, Botra ji, my Chacha also knows you, and many of the police persons we are in touch all knows you very well.
Okay, what's your good name,
That's
please?
why I texted me. My name is Sir Divyansh Gupta.
Okay, Dibyans, I would like to inquire from you.
Yes, yes, boss.
Do you really know that we, as a Indian, has been cheated by our from our politicians? They have cheated us. Do you have
Yes,
this
obviously, sir.
realization?
Yes, yes, obviously, sir.
Do you know that our politician deceitfully they have given 700 crore from the balance sheet of the RBI to the Britishers
Yes,
in
obviously.
1947?
Yes, yes, sir.
Do you know that what were the component of this 700 and crore? It was having two component.
Sir, I have no idea, but I would really like to know about this because the knowledge, the depth you have, I can never tell you in that words. So that is only what I want you to give a brief answer to all of these questions in YouTube, so that people come to know that all the politicians are doing corruption and all these things.
No, we have to go in much greater detail. I will certainly
Yes.
come in broadcast, but let's have some discussion in this chat as well.
Yes, sir. If you're okay, can I take my sister in conference so that sir, she is really a big fan of yours, and I'm really happy that if you are giving us a chance to let you invite in our podcast channel, sir.
Can you do the podcast immediately? Okay, you join your sister. What is her name?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, we have our podcast studio in Jaipur.
Okay.
If you want us to come in your city, we can come, and if you are okay traveling to Jaipur, we can handle all the commercials as well, so that we can invite you and your family into Jaipur, and we can have your podcast there.
Okay, I will be too happy to really avail your invitation. And what I
Thank you
will
so
feel
much,
that
sir.
pending that podcast, we can have
Yes,
certain
yes.
discussion just now. I will be happy if you can join your sister as well.
Sir, just